Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix diagnose connection problems in Internet Explorer. So if you encounter problem like this, like you have to diagnose connection problems, the first thing you must do is to simply go to delete browsing, and you have to make sure that you have tapped all of this and then tap delete. The second thing to do is go to tools and then look for internet properties and then go to advanced. Now you have to look for reset. So you have to wait as it is resetting user customization, add-ons, fault settings, and so on. Once done, click apply and then OK. The very last thing to do here is to go to the search box and then look for date and settings. Okay, or change the date and time. Tap this one. Now, changing your date or your time can result to fixing this problem. So you have to change it according to the given time of your country, because maybe that could be the reason why you encounter this problem connections or Internet Explorer problems. So one of the ways on how to solve this one is to simply keep everything up to date, including the date and time of your device. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.